Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Cloudspot. I'll be showing you how to upload pictures on Cloudspot. I'll also be showing you how to create a gallery so you can start selling your pictures and numerous other features of Cloudspot. I'll be giving you a full beginner-friendly walkthrough. To get started, you can go onto cloudspot.io and you could tap on Get Started Free. After tapping on Get Started Free, you'll be prompted to sign up using your email address. Once you have done that, you can fill out the basic information right here. For example, how long have you been in business? You can select the duration, then you'll tap on Continue. What type of photography do you shoot? And you can select the type of photography that you normally shoot. Then you'll select Continue once more. Once you have done that, your account is ready. And from here, you could create your first collection. So you could give your collection a name and you could choose the event date. After selecting the event date, you'll tap on Create Collection. Then you could choose to upload your own images by selecting I'll upload my own, or you can choose to use the example photos. For this example, I'll be using the example photos. So I'm going to select the example photos. You can see them pre-populate right here. Now, to upload your photos, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on drag a cover image right here, and you could add a cover image. So I could drag and place this one as the cover image, as you can see right there, or we could upload one to add as a cover image. You can also add an additional folder by tapping on Add Folder in the bottom left-hand corner. Then from there, you could upload folder. So you could tap on Upload Folders and you could add a folder. After you have finished adding your photos, you're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Gallery. After selecting Gallery, again you can change the gallery name right here. Then you could toggle on Display in Portfolio. After you have toggled on Display in Portfolio, you could create a category or you can select one of the pre-made categories. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Create Gallery in the top right hand corner. And you can tap on View to see how it looks. So you can see how your gallery looks right here. So this is how it will look to someone else. So you can see it right there. And they'll be able to tap on the share icon and they can share it, as you can see right there. Or they can tap on it and they can view it just like that. So that's how the gallery will look. Now, if we were to go back, you can also tap on Share Now. And from here, you'll be able to share it with others. So you could input in their email address and you can share the gallery just like that. Another thing you can also do by tapping on the arrow in the top left-hand corner. Once back on this page, you could tap on Store. And once you go onto one of their paid plans, you'll be able to create your store. And you can also add payment options. So you can tap on payment options right here and you'll be able to set up Stripe. You can also set up shipping and tax and so on. But to do this, you'll need to activate, as you can see right here, one of the payment options. So you'll need to activate Stripe to set up the store. Another thing that you can also do with this platform, by tapping on Galleries in the top left-hand corner, you could select Studio. After you have selected Studio, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to create invoices. You'll be able to also upload your leads and monitor your leads. And you have access to a full CRM feature on Cloudspot. So for example, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and select Leads. Then from there, you can choose to either use one of their templates or you can tap on Start from Scratch. Let's say we were to select their wedding lead template. After you have selected a template, you can scroll down and from here you can edit the basic information. So first you can choose whether you like to show confirmation page and you can also edit the confirmation message, or you like to redirect them to a specific URL. And you can scroll down and you can also edit the lead form. So this is the form that we'll use to collect their name and email address. And you can scroll down and you can see the basic information that you can also edit. What services are you interested in? And you can see the services right here. So you can see how the chain message will go along. as you can see right there. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on create lead form. After you have done that, you can tap on preview lead form. And you can see the lead form right here. So they'll be able to fill out this information, and that's how you'll be able to collect a lead. If you would like to share the lead form, you could tap on share lead form right there to share your lead form. So it's as easy as that. Another thing you can also do with this platform, you can create contracts. So you could tap on contracts from the left hand menu option, then select new contract, and we could start with a template. After selecting start with a template, you could fill in the template name. Then you could create a contract right here. And you could also use AI to assist you in this section by going on to ChatGPT or so on. You can also create invoices. By selecting invoices, you could tap on new invoice. Then from there, you can tap on start from scratch. And you could create an invoice right here for clients. You can also create questionnaires. And they also have a booking feature that is in the beta mode at the moment. So you could use their booking feature also. So you can see that Cloudspot is an all-in-one platform for your photography business. Not only have I shown you how to upload photos onto your gallery and share it with clients, but as I have also shown you how to use the Cloudspot Studio, which will allow you access to their CRM feature, which will allow you to create a lead form and also collect leads. You can also use Cloudspot to create contracts, invoices, questionnaires, and also bookings. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.